How to create a sentiment classifier AI model in less than 3 minutes with Labelf.ai. Let's create a model. We'll give it a name and continue on to the data selection. We have a dataset file, so we will select CSV file, which leads us to an upload dialog. Here we have our prepared sentiment dataset with labels ready to go. We have one column for the text and another one for the labels. Make sure your dataset also looks like this. One column for the text, one column for the labels. We will give it a name because we can later reuse this dataset to create new models. Let's upload it. Here we have the uploaded dataset. Let's select it. Here we can see a preview of the dataset. In this step, we select our column, which contains the text for Labelf to read. We also already have a column with the labels that Labelf should predict, so we select Train directly on an existing column. Now we select the column with labels. We can also choose how much of the dataset we would like to hide from training to evaluate our performance on. Create model. Now we're back to the models page. Let's go to our model. Your model is now uploading and will start training. We wait 40 seconds. Let's have a look. We hit refresh and we should be ready to go. Status indicates that we are. Here we have the model overview page. Let's run a little sample and see what it will predict. Let's try. I really like the way you dance. Success. Now something mean, so we can get a negative score. I kinda hate you. Your shoes are ugly. Negative. Labelf is multilingual. We know over 100 languages, and to demonstrate that, we'll translate something to Russian that uses a different alphabet. Your car is very fast, sir. Let's copy that and see what Labelf thinks. We paste it and go. Interesting. The model is always alive in our API and is ready to use immediately. Let's try it out. We'll make an HTTP request with CURL. Let's copy and paste the request. We will need to authorize the request. Let's create some new credentials. Here we have our client ID and secret. We can use this to get an access token that we can use for our request. We will replace the placeholder argument for bearer token with our real one here and paste it. Let's shoot. It works. Let's try with another example. We change the arguments for texts and add what we want to predict. Let's see what it thinks about I don't enjoy your smell. It thinks it's negative. We can see the confidence as well. We just created a sentiment classifier API in under 3 minutes. I can't wait to see what you will build with Labelf. It's free, so sign up today at Labelf.ai.